What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Radical Marketer YouTube channel, where we talk about how to leverage credit, how to leverage social media, and how to make money online. So if that interests you, smash that like button, punch that subscribe button, because I make videos daily. Matter of fact, I'm making videos 3 times a day, so you don't want to miss it. If it's your first time on my channel, welcome. These are very conversational, organic videos, all stuff and no fluff, full of content and full of data points in the comment section below. So if you have anything to say about today's topic, please add to the conversation, add data points, be a great human, because somebody could be waiting on your answer today. And welcome to the channel. And then for all of my radical marketers out there, subscribe to the channel that are racing to be the first person to comment. I love you guys. You guys are awesome. You guys crack me up in the comment section, and I couldn't do this without you. This is like one of the fastest growing channels on YouTube, and it's all because of you. All right, guys, in today's topic, we're going to go over another loan product with Signature Federal Credit Union. I've already done the review on Signature Federal Credit Union. I've done the credit card review with them, and now we're going to talk about their loans, their lines of credit, the different things that they have on that end of things, because it's very, very unique. But before I do all that, let me just set the stage of who can get into Signature Federal Credit Union, okay? Because I want you guys to know the qualifications, the lines of credit that they offer, and then give you some ways to maximize that, let's just say, okay? So, Signature Federal Credit Union is going to be open membership across the nation. So you could be in Alaska, you could be in Washington, you could be in Texas, Arizona, Nevada, California. It doesn't matter where you're at. You never have to step foot in the DMV, DC, Maryland, Virginia. This is where this credit union is based out of, right by DC in Alexandria. An amazing gem right here with Signature Federal Credit Union. I give them an A. They're not a huge credit union, but they have some crazy products from people that have great credit to no credit. They have great business products as well. It's hard to find a good credit union like that has business side of things. It's like PenFed, they don't have that, right? Or First Tech, they don't have that. Patelco, they don't have that. With Signature, you're getting a great credit union with great personal products and then also great business products, okay? Now, all of their qualifications are going to be pulling from Equifax, and it's going to be a hard pull, okay? To be able to get their products. It's all going to be Equifax. Most credit unions are going to use Equifax, to be completely honest with you. But the nice thing is there's no affiliation. There's no military affiliation that you need. You literally just go to join us and then sign up, and then you join a nonprofit to get you into the credit unions. That is going to be very common practice for most credit unions. All right, guys, without further ado, let's just get right into it. Okay, so the personal lines of credit, the personal loans right here is going to be great. I did some research, and I found out that it's going to be a 7-year loan at $50,000. So the maximum that you can have is 7 years. The maximum amount you can borrow is $50K. So that's a pretty good deal with the personal loans. And then obviously APR is going to depend on credit worthiness. The express money line of credit is going to be what basically a personal line of credit or a checking line of credit. This is going to be, you can use it for whatever you want, a lump sum of money. I'm a huge advocate of personal lines of credit. You guys already know this. Check out all of the playlists. You can learn about financial literacy, credit repair, how to get business funding, credit hacks, credit reviews, all types of stuff. So make sure you binge watch all the playlists, because there's going to be like over 500 videos before the end of the year on this channel, and I try to give you all the stuff that the gurus don't want you to know and what the banks don't want you to know. So make sure that you guys check that out. On this personal line of credit, I have written down that it goes up to $25,000. Okay, so it's going to be $25,000 on the line of credit. That's going to be the maximum. Overdraft line of credit's also nice. This is not going to be a personal line of credit. This is going to be in case you go over you dip into your checking account and go in the negative. That has a $10,000 balance that you can get on that, okay? So you literally can double dip on the personal line of credit and the checking line of credit. 2 completely different products. Most credit unions, or some credit unions I should say, they commingle these together and they make one product. So it's really nice that you can have this and even have a personal loan if you want to as well. The shared secure loans, I think that's super underrated, guys. Basically what that is you being able to manufacture a trade line. What do I mean by that? It means that if you want to have an installment loan reporting on your credit report and you have some money in savings, you can literally open up a share certificate secured loan Basically, you take $2,000, $3,000, you take it to Signature and say, hey, I want to get a $3,000 loan and I want to back it with my $3,000. They'll say no problem. They'll put that money in a secured account, and that when you pay that off, you'll get your money back, but you'll also have that loan reporting to the credit bureaus, and now you have a primary trade line. And for those of you guys that are building credit, rebuilding credit, this is powerful because you're using your own money to build your credit back up without having to do authorized users and go through a bunch of different hoops to try to get your credit repaired. It's frustrating because most people won't lend to you, but the credit unions are going to be the best play for you guys to rebuild your credit and for you guys to get access to high limit credit funding on the business and the personal side through relationship banking. Credit unions are big on relationship banking, so I highly recommend that you guys get involved with Signature. And if you don't have good credit, start with the shared secure line, because guess what? Once you pay that off, then you can say, hey, I want an overdraft line and I want a personal line, and they'll be like, okay, cool. Let's just check your income, make sure you can afford it. Bam, you're good. The other thing I want to make you guys aware of here is the fast cash loans, okay? This is going to be very similar to DCU with their no credit check loan. This is not going to be a credit check, but you can only get up to $1,000. There's a $20 application fee. You got to be able to have net direct deposits come to credit union for 2 consecutive payrolls. You can only have 1 fast cash loan at a time, so you can't double dip. And you can only have 3 of them within a 6-month period, okay? So they put a little stipulation on it, but they give you access to get a quick payday loan without having to pay crazy interest. So that's super helpful as well. So having a credit union like that, hey, I can rebuild my credit, I can get credit cards, I can get a quick payday loan if I need it, I can get a line of credit, super nice. But if I also want to show you one other thing, and I'm going to make a separate video on this as well, but I'm going to give you guys like a behind the scenes of this here. If you see here, obviously, choose your adventure loan. We talked about that. A 7-year loan, $50,000. Pretty loan rates, 6.5 to 8.75. But let's look at this here too. Natural disaster relief loan. This just popped up, okay? Borrow up to $50,000, 50 months. Rate as low as 5.0 APR. Let me go back here. It just trained on us. And no payments for 90 days. Guys, you guys are the first to see it. I want to make an entire video on it next, but that's why you hang out to the end of the video. Like I said, they do home loans, they do home equity lines of credit, they do boat loans and vehicle loans and RVs if you want to be an entrepreneur and travel the nation and live in an RV. Guys, they have everything here. I'm a huge advocate of Signature. Open membership nationwide. They pull from Equifax for credit decisions. Great rates, great credit union. I got nothing but positive things to say about it. Do me a big favor. Let me know what you guys like about Signature Federal Credit Union. Is this a credit union that you guys want to go for? I know that you guys have wanted me to do other credit union reviews because you guys have loved the Navy Federal Credit Union reviews that I've been doing. And I want to give you a wide range of different credit unions that you guys can attack and build a relationship with. Don't go over 10 credit unions a year. Have a good 5 to 10 that you go through and diversify your portfolio. Build out your credit lines, get your credit cards, all that type of thing. Like, comment, subscribe, join the private Facebook group, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Take care. Remember, 3 videos a day, so you want to check to see if I've already released videos for the day or yesterday, and then just binge watch the playlist. All right, guys. I love you guys. Take care. Oh, check this out. 100% financing on home equity lines of credit, too. So check the link in the description. You guys can go check out Signature. Love you guys. Take care. Peace.